wishing everybody a very happy new year. So New Year is a day which gives us a break from our daily hectic life and schedule and helps us to keep some attention towards our physical fitness, take some break and then restart our lives with more energy. On this day, which is 1st January, it is the first day of the Gregorian calendar. And on this day only, our Earth completes its orbital revolution around the Sun in 365 days, which we call easily as a new year. So, a new year is incomplete without resolutions, right? Even I have taken few resolutions and I am sure everyone must have taken them. My first resolution is to be sincere in my work. Second is to pay some attention towards my physical fitness. And third is to do hard work in my studies. Now, as we all know that we are facing a crisis of coronavirus disease, correct, since 2019. So it's a gentle request to everybody to follow the coronavirus norms and rules, follow social distancing and celebrate 31st of December. You may enjoy but do it safely. And I am sure if we follow the rules at the end of the next year, which is 2022, coronavirus won't exist. So that's it, my friends. Wish you a happy new year once again. Thank you.
Good morning, respected ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. This is Parija Sachin Varade from Standard 10 of Scottish Academy High School. Wishing you a very happy new year. May this be filled with great adventures and good fortunes. Let us take this day as a good opportunity to thank and appreciate all those who make us to run and make us to achieve all the things. So on this opportunity of the new year, I would like to thank all of those of my teachers, my parents, and all of my dear friends who have helped me to be on this spot. New Year is praised everywhere worldwide. It is a remarkable day for the general population and to celebrate it in a particular way. New Year stands before us like a chapter in a new book waiting to be written. So guys, let us forget all the past failures whichever we had and make this opportunity to be a great chance to achieve our dreams and our goals. So once again, very thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak over on this day. Thank you, bye bye, and take care.
Good morning, respected ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate New Year. All of us, I know, all of us, you are excited about New Year. So New Year is coming on 1st January. Everyone celebrates New Year with full of joy, prosperity. New Year bring about some hopes and opportunities. We made some resolutions on New Year to achieve our goal, to work hard, to reach behind our success. So everyone celebrates New Year on 1st January, and people arrange parties, wear costumes, and 31st December is fun filled of activities like dancing, singing, playing, etc. And you all of you are excited about New Year 2022. So New Year comes with full of hopes and opportunities. I know all of us, the year 2021 has a worst year in our history because due to Corona pandemic, lot of people lost their lives. Some of you have lost your loved ones, but it was very difficult time and worst phase of our life. But now New Year is coming, so forward all of them and start your career or start your new year with a great motivation and some goals. I hope the new year will be full of joy and prosperity to all of you. Till then, stay safe, stay home, wear mask and sanitize yourself. Thank you.
Good morning, respected ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today I am going to give the speech on 2022, which is the upcoming year, and I am going to give one poetry among among the 2022 year. At the sound of tolling midnight bell, a brand new year will begin. Let's raise our hopes in a confident toast, and that the promise that ushers in. May your dreams and wishes be fulfilled, and may your confidence be your strength, and the strength will rebuild your confidence. May your serenity be your grace. May tranquil moments be your bless and keeps your spirit cool. Thank you, and once again wishing you happy new year.
Myself, Avni Anand Soman from class 9A. My New Year resolutions are: I want to make my parents to feel proud on myself. I want to be obedient child to my parents as well as teachers. I will make my timetable and follow that timetable to achieve more than 85% in 10th board exam. As we are human beings, we all are makes the mistakes in the previous year. So I will not make such mistakes again in the next year. I will maintain my physical as well as mental health. Thank you and wish you a very happy new year.
Good afternoon everyone, respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Today, as we know, it's the last day of our year, so I want to wish you a very happy new year, and I wish that your upcoming year would be more greater than this year. As we know, the year was not very as we expected, so I have made some resolutions to make my year more better, and I would follow them to achieve my more goals. My first goal would be to improve my communication skills, as I am not very good at it, and I would try to improve my handwriting. I would try to exercise daily to improve my health. I would avoid junk food, and I would also meditate daily so that I could keep my soul more clean. And I would try to plant a tree so that I can understand more about the nature. And I wish your year would be also greater, and you must also have made some resolutions to follow them. Happy New Year.
Good afternoon everyone. Today is a very pleasant day, and today is the last day of the year 2021. I, Vaishnavi Lakshmi Gangni from Standard 9, would like to introduce my resolution of the upcoming year 2022. I want to become an Air Force officer. I have wasted my time in the pandemic situation, but now in upcoming year, I will focus on my mental and physical health, and I will do more exercise as much as I can. I will study hard, and I achieve my goal. I will do. Thank you. Happy New Year.
Good afternoon, respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Tanvi Vaidya, and I am studying in 9th standard. My 2022 resolutions are that I want to study hard to achieve my goal, and I will feel proud to my teachers and parents, and I decided that I will study at night, and I will work so hard to achieve my goal. And my goal is to become a doctor, and a part of my studies I am preparing for my NEET exams of 12, and I am started to preparing for the NEET exams. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected principal ma'am, teaching staff and all the other aunties. Wish you all a happy new year. As we all know, this year is coming to its end and new year is just at the door. So I would like to change some of the things in me so it can be helpful for my future. So here are some of my new year's resolutions. First, I would like to start from the ground, and I would like to wake up early in the morning so that I can be more productive about the whole day. Second, I would like to efficiently use my time and to complete most of the tasks in my day to help in the other things as well. I would also like to help my parents and mothers in their daily chores, as they also help me a lot in other stuff, as they are my support system. And fourth, I would like to continue my studies harder, as I am weak currently in the Marathi language. And I would also like to increase my communication skills in the Marathi and English language. Thank you and wish you all a happy new year.